A BJP MLA made a 700-kilometer trip to inaugurate a 7-kilometer road in Bijnor, but things took a turn when the road cracked up during the inauguration. A portion of the road worth 1.16 crores, constructed by the Irrigation Division, cracked during the coconut cracking ritual. Suchi Mausam Chaudhary, the MLA from Bijnor Satar constituency, said, "I was asked to inaugurate the road. When I got there and tried to break a coconut, the coconut did not break. Bits of the road came off." Furious Suchi Mausam Chaudhary then sat on the dharna and waited on the spot for 3 hours for a team of officers to arrive and take the samples of the road to investigate. Speaking to the reporters, she said, "I had it checked and found the construction to be deficient. The work was not up to the standard. We stopped the inauguration. I spoke to the district magistrate and the DM formed a 3-member team. The material was sent for sampling and we were there for almost 3 hours." Dismissing any charges of substandard, the executive engineer of the irrigation department, Vikas Agarwal, said, "We have set up a committee. Let's wait for the findings." Ahead of the upcoming state elections in which Yogi Adityanath has been pitching an efficient, corruption-free government, the incident is a major embarrassment to the BJP government.